bottom edge. And again. Yeah. Same thing. Pull, keeping the weight forward. 20 feet through the bottom edge. Okay, let's do 2 of these other ones now, yeah? So here we go. Ready? Pull. Weight forward, let him spin. Now. Okay, it wasn't quite high enough. Now again. Right up to the feet. That was unlucky. Is that right? Go on, just try and relax and get that upper body weight over your hips. So now they're going away, up and at it. Ready? So you are leaning back, keep that weight forward, over your hips, over your hips. Ready? Well done. Okay, now do the incomer, it's good. Ready? Brilliant. Got one more, your arms okay, or do you want to rest? You ready? Here we go. Roll. Let it pee, and then under. Unlucky, a little bit early, but that was good.